Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I did 2 videos on this yesterday, and then they sent me this picture. And I'm real curious what this is cut out of. Um, I did find out they're a hat making company, but maybe it's painted acrylic or whatever. But they wanted I think I did this yesterday, and I sent it to him. They wanted more jagged and maybe more realistic looking. So I took the old one away. I actually got 2 copies there, he does. And I'm just going to scoot that up. Now, if we look at this, this is all one piece. And I think he's already cleaned it up. Well, no, there's still a few minute little areas in there I'd clean up a little bit more. But how to do this, how to make a better outline, I guess, is the question. Over 2, I'm going to set my nudge factor of 3. I'm going to make a duplicate and put it down. I am going to go, and if you see the bounding box under the weld tool does not go, but if we go to object and break curve apart, and that's why I made a copy of it, because it did this. But no fear. Now let's take our bounding box, and it made a bounding box, and I'm going to move it to the left. We don't care about that black fill, because that's really, part of the drawing. But then this, let me just delete all that. Let me put this back over. So, and don't just remember, do not ever move stuff, nudge it. Now that would work and that would cut out, but it's going to be right on the line. So here's what you could do. And yesterday I did it with rounding corner, but after I see his pictures, I'm going to go to effects and contour with square corners to the outside. I'm going to try 0.05. See, that gives you a little bit of and you could do 0.04, 3, 2, 1, or whatever you want. Let's go 0.03. It gets it closer to those lines. Then you just go to object, break contour part. Now our new contour is on the outside, so we can grab the inside. And then just don't forget to turn this red and make sure it's a hairline. I got to break the contour apart. I'm going to move it, and I'm going to put it right back. Make it a hairline and make it red, and voila. I don't know what that is. That was maybe what my problem was. Now you have a little finer cut line. Let's look at, I probably should go a little bit more with the, because there's some smaller pieces in here than he has. And he also has some center pieces, which you could very easily add. So you could contour it more and it's going to close this gap. But what you could also do, you could take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, move it down, left click, right click, and then contour to the inside, 0.03. Go up to object, break the contour part, whoop. And take that one and turn it red, and you'll have a cut line around that item. And you could do these 4 and make it look more like the picture. He has it quite a bit less. And this is just a line. I'm guessing I don't know what kind of material it is. It evidently is for a hat band because it's not very big, but that'll get him on his way. And like I said, you could, if you don't like that, move that one out of the way and contour at 0.01 to the outside. Just a little bit more. Go up to Object, break contour part. Whenever you click on the inside, you should get that contour. So this is the new one. I'm going to right click outline or moved it over. So now you got a little bit thicker. And just to see that every little bad spot, not a bad spot, but the contour is mimicking that. So if that wasn't there, if that was more rounded, which is fine, it's a plume feather. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.